Hello student, our today topic is a pointer. So pointer is nothing but a variable, but here is a type is a pointer type. Means this is not like the other type of variable, the declaration or the initialization are the separate, but pointer means this is a variable which hold the address of the another variable. But in the normal variable, as per the database, as per the data type, it hold that type of data only on that the normal variable. But pointer variable, it hold the address of the another variable. So that variable may be a int type, that variable may be a character type. So based on that variable whose address hold by that pointer, so based on that data type of the that variable, the pointer declaration or the pointer data type must be the same. Okay, so here the definition is a provision. The pointer is one of the most powerful and the useful feature for the C language, which distinguishes it from the other languages. The concept of the pointer is somehow complex, but it is a simple when it is compared to its advantage, because it hold the address of the memory location. So it basically the reduce for the address location, the storage of the address location, it is useful. But as because the declaration is something other pattern, so it is a very much complex actually. And as well as the pointer is a more difficult to understand, but is a proper use. If you know that the proper use, then it is a very excellent use of the C language. Now what is pointer? Pointer is a variable and it contains the memory address of another variable which declared as a pointer type. See here example, here is a 5 is a some value of some variable. So value of the address is a 5 and its address is a 2000. This is called the first variable. So when the second variable hold the address of this variable, that is a 2000, that is a some address of that variable actually. So when it hold the address of the first variable, this variable is called a pointer type of variable. That's why the mention over here that it contains the memory address of the another variable which declared as a pointer type. So as because here is a value is a 5, so it is an integer type of variable. That means your pointer variable must be a integer type of, so that the integer variable the address of the integer variable can hold by a address of a integer pointer, a integer type of pointer. Here the second variable contains the same whatever we discuss, the same address is there. Here is some use of pointer. Pointer used for the saving of memory space, as because it is hold the address of the another variable, so it is a purpose of use the saving of the memory address. It is also used for the assign the memory space and also release. Means whenever you require we can assign the address, and whenever you require we release the address. So with the pointer, data manipulation is done with the address. Two-dimensional and the multi-dimensional array representation is easy with pointer. The concept of pointer is used in the data structure as a linked list, because linked list actually work as a address. Now our main is the ampersand operator and the asterisk operator. So first is a ampersand address operator is represent the address of the variable. So using the ampersand sign, it actually represent the address of the variable. See here example. So int is a variable with the value of 5. Now what is the value of a? Obviously there is a value of a is a 5, and address of u, when you declare the address of u, we normally the syntax is a percentage u, and as because it's an address and we are using the ampersand a, so using the ampersand a we are specifying that we are find out the address of that variable. So here is the output of that program. So this 2000 basically is a assumption basis. Now the actual picture. The A is a variable name and value of the address is a 5 and address is a 2000. Now we are going for the next example. Now this is the star asterisk operator value of the address operator. Means using the asterisk operator we mention what is the value of that address operator of that address. Okay, it represents the value at the specified address. See here example. So int A, the value is a 5. So obviously when the value is calculating, the value is a 5. Here is the output is a 5. Now address of A, similarly the %% of A means is a 2000. Now when you put the asterisk sign before the % of A, it actually specifies that it represents the value of a specified address. Means when you put the asterisk sign before the % A, it actually represents what is the value of that address. The value of the address is a 5. So 5 is the output. So in this way we are using the % operator and the asterisk operator. Now declaration of pointer. How we declare the pointer? So here B is a pointer type of variable and B hold the address of A. So B is a variable which contains the address of the variable A. So A is a variable with the value 5 and the address is a assumption purpose. So now B hold the address of A and here some address of the B is obviously is there. So in this way we can declare the pointer. Another is when actually pointer variable represent by a asterisk symbol. So here we representing this is a normal type of variable declaration and it is a pointer type of variable declaration. So when you put the asterisk sign before any variable, that means it is a pointer type of variable. So it may be a char, it may be int, may be float, whatever based on your which value means which type of variable it is hold, based on that data type the pointer variable declare on that data type. So here is another example. Here we declare the int A with the value 5 and we are declaring a pointer B. So obviously B is a hold of %, A means a B hold the address of A. Now first is the value of A. To see the picture, A is a 5 with the address of 2000, B is a 2000 with the address of 3000. So first printf statement, the value of A, this is a 5, done. Now the value of A. So when you put the address of A with the asterisk sign, we already it is discussed that when you put the asterisk sign before the address of any variable means it represents the value of that position. So it is 5. Again B asterisk. So B means B is the address of B, actually the address of A. So when we put the asterisk sign before A, that means we have put asterisk sign before %A. So asterisk sign before %, it means it represents the value of A. The third is that represent the value of A. Now so this line is complete, this line is complete. Now the address of A, the simple %U, the address of A is a simple B representation, B is a % of U. Address of B, %B, and the value of the B. When the value of the B means this is actually the address of the A. So U %U and put here B. See here example is the address of B is a 2000. So this is part your example. So in this way we can understand what is the % operator, what is the asterisk operator, how we initialize the pointer, how we use the pointer, and how using the pointer we get the address of the another variable. So using this example the concept is clear now.